Alex and his dog Snowy's Forest Adventure. Alex was a boy with brown hair and big blue eyes. He loved playing outside. He lived in a small house near a big forest. Alex had a dog named Snowy. Snowy was small, white, and fluffy. Snowy had black eyes that sparkled like little stars. One sunny morning, Alex said, "Snowy, let's go to the forest. We can have an adventure." Snowy wagged his tail. He barked happily. Woof, woof. Alex packed his bag. He put water, sandwiches, and a flashlight in it. He wore his red jacket and green boots. "Let's go," he said. The forest was big and green. There were tall trees everywhere. The sun shone through the leaves, making little spots of light on the ground. Alex and Snowy walked on a small path. "Look, Snowy," Alex said. "There are so many birds." Chirp, chirp. The birds sang in the trees. Snowy looked up and barked. They walked deeper into the forest. Alex saw flowers of many colors: red, yellow, and purple. He picked a small yellow flower and put it in his pocket. Suddenly, Snowy stopped. His ears went up. "What is it, Snowy?" Alex asked. Snowy barked and ran off the path. "Wait, Snowy," Alex called. He ran after his dog. Snowy led Alex to a beautiful pond. The water was clear and blue. There were frogs jumping in the water. Ribbit, ribbit. "Wow," Alex said. "This is amazing." He sat by the pond and took out his sandwiches. He gave one to Snowy. Snowy wagged his tail and ate happily. After eating, Alex said, "Let's explore more." As they walked, Alex heard a noise. It sounded like rustle, rustle. "What is that?" Alex whispered. Snowy barked and ran toward the noise. Alex followed. They found a small bush. Something was moving inside it. "Hello," Alex said. Out came a little rabbit. It had long ears and a tiny nose. "Or, it's just a bunny," Alex said. Snowy sniffed the rabbit. The rabbit hopped away quickly. "Goodbye, little rabbit," Alex said, waving. Alex and Snowy found a very big tree. Its trunk was wide, and its branches were strong. Alex touched the bark. It felt rough under his fingers. "This tree is so old," Alex said. "Maybe it is 100 years old." Snowy sniffed around the tree. He found a hole at the bottom of the trunk. He barked. "What's in there?" Alex asked. He bent down to look. Inside the hole, there was a shiny stone. Alex picked up the stone. "It looks like a treasure," he said. He put the stone in his bag. After walking for a long time, Alex stopped. He looked around. "Oh," he said. "Where is the path?" Snowy looked up at Alex. He wagged his tail. "We are lost, Snowy," Alex said. "What do we do?" Alex sat on a rock. He took out his flashlight and turned it on. The sun was going down, and the forest was getting dark. "Don't worry, Snowy," Alex said. "We will find our way." Alex looked up. The sky was full of stars. "Look, Snowy, the stars are so bright." Then Alex remembered something. "Grandpa said to follow the North Star if you are lost," he said. He found the North Star. It was the brightest star in the sky. "Let's walk that way," Alex said. Snowy barked and followed Alex. After walking for a long time, Alex saw a light. Snowy, look. It's our house. They ran toward the light. Soon, they were home. Alex's mom was outside. Alex. Snowy. I was so worried, she said. We had an adventure, Mom. Alex said. He showed her the shiny stone. Look, I found a treasure. Alex's mom smiled. I'm glad you are safe, she said. That night, Alex and Snowy went to bed early. Good night, Snowy, Alex said. Snowy wagged his tail and closed his eyes. Alex dreamed about the forest and the stars. He smiled in his sleep.